how to make NVIDIA the default graphics card on Windows 11. So if you want to make the NVIDIA the default graphics card on Windows 11, then first you just need to simply search for NVIDIA and open up your NVIDIA application, your control panel application. After opening, you will have this kind of interface. Go with Manage 3D Settings. Under that, you will have preferred your graphics processor. So you need to click on it. Make sure that you select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. After that, you need to go with the next option, which is configuration. So click on the configuration, and on the right side, you will have the processor option. You just need to simply go with the drop down of the processor or the site settings. Under that, you need to again select NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 or 1650. After selecting, now the next step is you just need to simply go back, go with your search, and search for graphics settings. And here you will have add an app option. So here you just need to simply go with the Microsoft Store app, and after that go with browse, and it will take you to choose an app. So here you just need to simply scroll down and find the application, Microsoft Store app. But if you find the app, you just need to simply go with the app, which will be on your drop down. Now, if you choose Microsoft Store apps, you will see a list of apps in front of you. That's really easy. But if the app you're trying to add is a regular desktop app, you may have to dig a bit more, but that's okay. It's still very easy. So for example, you can go with all apps, and here you can select any application. Like for example, I'll go with Netflix. If you have Adobe, you can go with Adobe or any other application. So on the right side, you will have the options. So under options, you will have high performance, which is NVIDIA GeForce, or the power saving, which is Intel. So here, if you want the NVIDIA graphics card to be used by Netflix, then you just need to simply go with the high performance NVIDIA. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.